Read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully before installing or operating your machine.
Hi, I'm Brent Williams with Miller Electric. We're going to discuss the Weld Sequencer function found on Dynasty and Maxstar products. Specifically, we'll take a look at how to set the Weld Sequencer, some benefits of using it, and applications where you might apply it. Let's take a close look at how to set and adjust the Weld Sequencer function. When TIG welding, it's common to use a remote control to start and stop the weld. Foot controls and fingertip controls can also vary the welding amperage. The ability to make these adjustments on the fly adds to the precision and control benefits of the process. However, not all applications are suitable for using these type of remotes. When you're welding out of position, making repetitious or automated welds, it may be more convenient to preset the entire weld sequence using the panel settings and use a remote to start and stop the weld. There are 4 parameters to set when using the Weld Sequencer. To begin, select the Remote 2T Hold function in the output column. Set the welding amperage according to your application. Usually this is based on material thickness. Then, use the sequencer button to toggle through the available settings. You'll set each value using the main control knob. To begin, set the initial amperage. This is where the machine will start and should be set to an amperage that gives you consistent starts based on your tungsten size without damaging the base metal you'll be welding on. Next, set the initial slope time, or the amount of time it takes in seconds to ramp from the start amperage to the welding amperage. Now, set the final slope, which controls the amount of time it takes in seconds to ramp from the welding amperage to the final amperage. This is commonly referred to as downslope or crater time. Set the final amperage at a level that allows the puddle to shrink and solidify before it turns off. This prevents a large crater from forming at the end of the weld. Now you're ready to weld. Start the arc using your remote. The sequencer will start and slope to your welding amperage based on what you've preset. As you approach the end of the weld, press your remote to begin the final slope sequence. When the final amperage is reached, the arc will shut off. This covers the functionality of the Weld Sequencer control. If you have additional questions, make sure to visit millerwelds.com and click on the Resources tab. Thanks for watching.